Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you see the orange Nike box with the white Nike print going all around. So what we're looking at today is the women's Air Max 97 OG Quick Strike in metallic gold and varsity red. Now, this is a re-release of an older shoe, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not sure when it originally came out, you know what I'm saying, but it must have been a pretty hot commodity for them to re-release it, you know what I'm saying. But looking at the media side of the shoe, I mean, it's pretty plain. You got the black pull tab on the back with the gold Air Max written. I mean, it's a pretty self-explanatory. On the bottom, you got your white, black, red, metallic gold. You got metallic gold all throughout the shoe with just a little bit of white. You know what I'm saying? I mean, look at that. The insole, you got black, the gold Nike check. And on my other video, the metallic gold Vapor Max video, I said that pull tab didn't have red accents in it, you know what I'm saying? So I was wrong about that, you know what I mean? But anyway, everybody make mistakes, man. But look, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, ain't too much you can really say. Everybody done already saw this shoe and whatnot, you know what I mean? But we just gonna keep the content coming, you know what I'm saying? So I want to thank y'all to my subscribers that's stepping into my world, you know what I'm saying? And I appreciate y'all, man. You know what I mean? But that was my look at the Air Max 97 Quick Strike OG for women. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504, and I'ma holla back.